Yeah, I went out there, man. This dog had 10 goddamn puppies, y'all. 10 damn puppies. What's good, y'all? What's good? Y'all already know this. Backyard Boogie Killers. This your host, Yogi. I know I ain't been here in a minute trying to show y'all these puppies, dog.
Yeah, a little bit. There you go. It's a little light now.
Well, back up, so I'm gonna give y'all a 5-day back up, so 5-day old, what's called it, update. Um, try to get this out of the way fast. All right, y'all. You see it?
Yeah.
All right, y'all. This puppy one. This one with white socks on. A little white on the bottom of this thing. He got some massive head. Yeah. He's doing pretty good, y'all. He was asleep. So, put him over there. Come on, stop trying to run. All right, that's pup number 2, y'all. Remember the pup. This one got a one down his head. Got a little white mark on his neck. See it? And got a little something on his chest. Ooh. Pup number 2, y'all. Yeah. Let me do this right quick before we continue. Put them in here so I won't get them mixed up. Pup number 3. Got the little white up here. I see you got the little line back there. Massive head. You know what I'm saying? What you think, babe?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
All right. This is one of them black babies. Ooh. All black.
He got a little white on his chest.
Got a little white on the chest, a little squiggly little thing. You know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
That's the all black. The little white on the stomach. You know what I'm saying? Another one black. A little small one, probably a little runt.
Mm-hmm.
Got a little black on his chest too. You know what I'm saying? Big head. These right now 4 days old. The eyes haven't opened yet. Oh yeah, this is a big chunk. See his face?
Mm-hmm.
I see the colors on him. I don't know. Oh, that's a big chunky chunk. Man, look at
Mm-hmm.
that head. He got a little white little spot on the tail. I gotta start remembering these dogs, y'all. You see them good?
Mm-hmm.
All right, y'all. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, the 5 puppies that I showed y'all. Oh, little holler, shut up. Y'all see him with the white paws with the little try on the head right there. Y'all see it.
They got some big
Well,
heads.
these dogs' heads massive, y'all. He got a little white chest,
Mm-hmm. A little socks on his feet.
a little white dot on his tail too. Little sock, yeah, y'all.
They fat.
All right, this runt number 2, but they getting big, y'all. Another black
With white. He
white
got
socks,
white on him.
as y'all see. How long been coming out? How they need to come out?
Yeah.
All right. Another one of the little small ones.
Yeah.
But they doing good though, y'all.
Yeah.
He just small. Little black one with the white on the chest.
Mm-hmm.
Little going across like that. But
Isn't
they got
it?
brown paws though, y'all. Got a brown paw, so you know all of them look like they got triangle. If I know what I'm talking about. All right, y'all. Let's get to the other one. Gonna do the white and black one first. I mean, all black but white spots. Chunky dude.
Mm-hmm.
Whoa.
He real chunky. He got brown on his eyes.
But this a girl.
Yeah, she got brown on her eyes.
Y'all see, man, chunky.
Yeah.
Chunky. She was asleep.
Yeah.
Going back to sleep.
And they back there talking shit.
They look like you next.
Yeah.
All right, y'all. This the white one. I think this the first one the first white one that was born.
Okay.
And this is a boy.
Cute. He cute.
Might be a girl.
She cute.
Big head.
She got brown, a little bit of brown on her eyes too.
Yeah, if y'all notice, whatever dog it was a black. It had to be a son of a black dog or I don't know. The last but not least, bring your little crown behind out here.
This one was crying yesterday.
Let me
Look.
see. And this
got
girl.
brown on his face.
This
I mean, on her
too.
face. Her
So
eyes.
Y'all see him, man. Like I say, we're here to break the news. Yeah, we did lose 2.
Yeah.
2 of the weaker ones.
Yeah.
Man, got a little spot like Simba.
She fat.
They fat.
Yeah.
I don't know. Y'all let me know in the comments what y'all think they look like.
She's fat.
Whoa. Yeah, y'all, them all the puppies.
But I don't want no another girl, y'all. I want a boy.
Them all the puppies, y'all.
Mm-hmm.
Here they go right here in their little bed right here, y'all. You know what I'm saying? And we'll get back on y'all with the next video, y'all. We're gonna give y'all you could have turned on the light. We'll give y'all like I say, y'all, pretty puppies though. Pretty puppies, y'all. You know what I'm saying? They all milk drunk, hand taken care of. That's a boy. Boy, they some big puppies, y'all. I'm gonna give y'all, when they open their eyes, that's when we'll give y'all the next update. I just wanted to get this one out the way. And we'll be back with y'all. Y'all already know this Backyard Boogie Kennels, y'all. And I'm gone.